Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time to be here, kindly subscribe to my channel, like the video and leave a sweet comment down below. If you have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for always coming back and watch my videos. By the way, let me ask you this question. Why have you not subscribed to my channel? We are road to 1,000 subscribers. Kindly subscribe to my channel so that we can reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So today's video, I want to show you where you can buy affordable cars. The reason why I'm saying affordable, because there are so many different kinds of cars here. It depends with your pocket. The kind of car you'd like, it depends with your pocket. So I'm in Jamhuri Park, Car Bazaar. This is where it happened once in a week. That is on Sunday. And this is where they bring their cars. If you want to buy a car, you can come here. If you are selling car, you can come here. If you want to trade in your car, you can come here. Or if you just want to take that day to walk around and see around, you can also come and see what is happening here in Jamhuri Car Bazaar. It's along Gong Road. You cannot miss the place. It's along Gong Road. So if you just come along Gong Road, you cannot meet this place called Jamhuri Car Bazaar, and it happens once a week. That is on Sunday, as I've said. Where I'm standing now is parking lot. This is where people, when you come to visit here, you park your car as a visitor, and when you're coming here as a visitor, you pay 100 Kenya shilling so that you can be allowed to come here. You pay 100 Kenya shilling and you pay via M-Pesa only. Here they don't use cash, they use M-Pesa. So that is the reason why I'm trying to explain it very well, because you may come with cash and they don't take cash. They have reasons for that. They use M-Pesa. So make sure you put your money in M-Pesa so that you can pay for that 100 Kenya shilling if you're coming as a visitor. If you're coming to sell your car here, you need to pay a fee of 500 Kenya shilling. So you need to pay a fee of 100 Kenya shillings so that you can come and sell your car here. This is the parking lot, as you can see behind. This is the whole area. The whole of this area is a parking lot. So I'd like to show you where they sell cars so that you can have an idea of the type of cars they sell here in this bazaar, which happens on Sunday. When you have an idea of the cars that they sell here, maybe you can make that crucial decision, the kind of a car you'd like to buy here. Or if you have your own car, you want to trade in, they deal with cars and different kind of cars, different make. They have Toyota, they have different kind of cars, so that we can have a good idea. Let's go to the place where they sell the cars so that we can know the type of cars they sell here and the amount of money you can spend when you come here at Jamhuri Car Bazaar. So let's go to where they sell these cars so that we can know the prices and the type of cars that they sell. As you can see immediately from it is the entrance where people sell their cars, because I've told you earlier the other side is where visitors park their cars. They start selling from here all the way. The place is very, very big, by the way. I don't think you can manage to cover this place within the day. The place is very big and cars are so many. So I'll show you what they're selling here. There are different kind of cars and different makes and the prices, as I told you, so that you can make a decision the kind of car that you'd like to buy. By the way, the type of car you'd like to buy depends on you. and the reason why you are buying that car. It can be for personal use. It can be maybe the car you want to buy is for business. Maybe you'd like to do Uber business, or the type of business that you'd like to do. Maybe it's for car hire. It depends with the car that you'd like to buy. There are so many reasons why people buy different cars. They have their own personal reasons. So I'll show you so that if it is personal, you know the kind of car you'd like to buy and the reasons why you'd like to buy that car. As you can see, this is the first car that they have here is a Mitsubishi Mirage, and that's a Mazda. Then there are so many cars that you can find. It depends on your pocket. By the way, also the pocket matter. The amount of money that you like to spend also depends on you. Here, if you want the most expensive car, you can get here. If you want a trading car, as I told you, you can get here. If you want a cheaper car, you can get it. So that is what is happening here at Jamhuri Car Bazaar. Different cars for every different reason. That is what is happening here. So you are most welcome to Jamhuri Car Bazaar. place is very huge, as I've told you, and I can see most of the cars that I'm seeing here are Toyota cars. They are Vitz, they are different kind of cars, but majority of the cars that I'm seeing here are Toyota. I would like to check this Vitz, KCM, his condition, so that I can get an idea. Can see it's a used car, but it is still in good condition. Let's check this Vitz, how it is, its condition, whether the condition is still very okay.
Hello. Hello.
Ni how much?
Hello.
Ni how much?
615. No negotiable.
The car is 615. That is CC. The year 220, as you can see. But it will depend on the condition with the car. So if the condition is good, maybe you can negotiate. They can give you a good price. You can negotiate, they can give you a good... How much is the last price?
610.
610. You remove only 5,000. Kila kitu iko sawa. Say you give me a discount of only 5,000 shillings, so the price is 610. The car, you say, is in a very good condition, but you can check the car with yourself. If you don't trust yourself, or maybe you don't know anything to do with your car, you can come with your mechanic if you are coming to buy a car, so that he can help you to make the correct decision of the type of car that you'd like to buy. He will really help you, because you cannot just buy a car. Any car you see, you need to make the final decision with the person that you trust. Maybe you can come with your mechanic, but if you are very good in buying cars, you can come alone. Or maybe you can also come with a friend, so that you can make that exact decision. Cars are many. The decision is you, the type of car you'd like to buy. you so much guys for watching this video. There's something before I end this video I would like to talk about. Majority of the cars that I've seen here at Jamhuri Car Bazaar are Toyota, Japan made car, are Toyota cars, although most of the cars that we import are from Japan, but majority of the cars that I've seen here are Toyota. If you are looking for this Toyota Note, you can come and get it here. It depends with what you want to do with your vehicle, whether it's your personal use or you want to do it for business, you can come and buy here. The prices also differ. If you have at least 400,000 Kenya shillings, you can get a car in a second hand. That is a second hand car. You can get a car here. So it depends on what you are looking for and your pocket. If you have 400,000, you can get a car. If you have millions also, you can get a car. So don't be discouraged that if you have 400,000, there is no car for you. You can get a 400,000 car and even maybe lower to 370. I've seen a car for 370,000. So it depends on what you are looking for. Don't be discouraged. There is always something for everyone. You can come and buy a car here. So thank you so much for this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and bye and see you on the next video.